Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. This is page 30. We're looking at Balance Builder, where we're looking at balancing our chords and building them out. Now, starts off with tonic, which in this case, since we have 3 flats in the key signature, is the key of E flat. So the tonic, then we have the chord, then we go to the subdominant, which is the 4th, E, F, G to the A flat, and we have an A flat chord. And then next we have the dominant, and then we go on to the tonic again. Right, now here go on to add the chord tones in. Tonic. So you're looking at Trumpet Voluntary, a band arrangement. One of the big issues I've run into with band arrangements is that if you keep steady tempo all the way through, which is what you should do, you're often off with the band, because a lot of those with the melody and harmony parts that fit together will often rush through them. So just keep that in mind as you're playing. You might need to adjust as you go along. I will do the repeat from 12 back to 5. And here we go. Remember, 2 measures of rest at the beginning. 1, 2, beginning, and 1, 2, and I messed that up. Try that again. 1, 2, beginning, now. 1, 2. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.